Alright, well, we just got back from the Sacramento Bike Swap about 5 minutes ago, and we picked out some pretty good stuff. I sold some things, made some money. I also found some really cool shit. The first thing is I picked up a camper shell that just happened to fit my 65 long bed, and just happened to be in the same town that I was at the time while I was getting a tattoo. So I was getting this done at Hen's Tooth Tattoo in Auburn, and while that was happening, I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace, as you do, and just happened to be, third thing I saw was a camper shell for $350 for a 65 long bed Chevy. Yeah, guy took $250 for it. We grabbed my buddy's Tacoma, and we put some 8-footers, some 2x4s, crossways in the bed, but he made it. So it's waiting for me up in Auburn, but that was a killer deal. That was the deal of the weekend. Yeah, so we got to the swap meet. First thing I saw in the morning when I was walking around, some backstory. I can't stop buying springers. And last time I was there in Sacramento, I saw a kind of a prefabbed kit, hardware for a springer, but it needed to be welded and everything, so it was like a springer in a box, kind of a DIY kit. And I didn't get it for $100. I did not get it. I passed up on it, and I regretted it. I told my buddy, same guy with the Tacoma, that dragged that camper shell all the way back up to Auburn. I said, don't let me leave the next swap meet without looking for and buying that springer if I find it. And sure enough, right across from where we were set up was this springer in a box, and it was in the $25 pile. So I got springer in a box for $25. So that was the second deal of the weekend. And then I found some little odds and ends. These are pretty cool. These are solid brass foot pegs, and they are heavy. This is like 3 pounds of brass just for one foot peg. Picked those up for $5. And this is cool too. This oil tank is also brass. I have a theme. I don't know if you can tell. And it comes with free oil. So that's worth it right there. But this is pretty cool. So I picked this up. I got the foot pegs, I got a springer, and I got a sick camper shell for my 65. And I got a tattoo. So all in all, pretty good weekend.
And then you'll start to get used to how much you need to put on.
Yeah, that was probably a bit much.
That's fine. Yeah, rub it in like lotion. You're so gentle.
I'm trying not to hurt you. Be gentle, it's my first time.
The hurty part hasn't come yet. No, started. See these guys?
Yep.
And you're right-handed, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit it so you can feel it. And then you barely want to even go in halfway.
Okay.
And you don't want to move it too much, just kind of like hit it. Yep, perfect. Now you know.
I did it!
Now you can tell people that was a clown piece.
I did that shit too by myself. I did that whole thing myself.
Yeah, you missed. Nothing but a good time.
I know, right? It's got wheels, right? Yeah, I could just. Show up, you got like 2 or 3 more crates. I didn't bring them all. I left a couple of them at home. And the back seat's full of them. I don't think you guys brought enough stuff. Goodness. I'm gonna have to fill us through your pile and see what you got going on.
But wait, there's more.
Holy shit. You guys need help with anything, or you good?
First purchase of the day. 5 minutes in and he's back over there.
I wish I could find stuff for my bike.
Pretty motorcycles.
Oh, don't.
It hasn't started recording yet. I'm just pointing it.
Hey.
Okay, time to pack up. Got ourselves a Springer. Got some other cool shit.
Turn that one to 90 degrees. Turn it over there on that side. Or this side, don't matter. There you go. We're gonna go 3 deep and then 3 deep on top.
Hi.
You're doing great.
Where you been, man?
Yep. Always the last ones to leave.